Hey guys, it's Sissy, and today doing something very exciting. We're going to the supermarket. Just joking. But we are going to the supermarket. But then we're going to the pet store, and we might be getting something. Anyway, we'll see you in the car. And me and my mom look really bad. Sorry that I turned the lights off by accident. And I had to turn the lights off. I'm sorry for the bad lighting. I'll see you in the car. Hey guys, we're in the car. And I was gonna say, me and my mom look crazy because we were packing all day long to go to Florida. And I want to vlog that. I'm not sure if I will, but I really want to get it. And this video gets to 150 likes, then I will vlog it. Probably will. I'm just doing that challenge for you guys. So, and I know you can do it. So go look it up right now. And yeah, we'll see you in the pet store. We're in the car. So what happened is I was just listening to the radio. I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but there's a storm coming. And I'll let you guys look at the clouds. Focus. Wait, I'm gonna flip the camera. Yeah, that is what happened. That's what happening right now. We here are not getting the storm, but Boston, New Hampshire, and we live really close to Boston, so we might get some rains. But like New Hampshire, Boston, Lexington, Middlesex is getting lots of storms, and there's hail. Yeah, Exis. I don't know if I said it right, but I'm sorry if I didn't. Yeah. And it's what? Counties. Did I say it right? What's wrong with you, car? Did you hear that beep? Oh my god. Okay. So I will either be at the supermarket or in the pet store. I'm gonna transition. Okay? Ready? You guys ready? Okay. Are sunflower seeds. Wow. Well, see you in the pet store. We're in the pet store. Now we're going into the kitties. I want to see the kitties. Where are the kitties? I think they all got adopted. Well, I wanted to show you guys, but they don't have them. See? They're all gone. Oh, there's one right there. Oh, hi, little. Can you see them? I don't think you can.
Вон там еще один есть, да, с той стороны?
Where?
Дырки нет?
No. There's a kitty. I don't know if you can see him. Yeah, now you can see him. Hi, little guy. He is so cute. I want him so bad. So cute. Look at the little outfits for the puppies. Eagles, Celtics. Ooh, Celtics. And then what's? Ooh, baseball's over here. Ooh, oh yeah. This is what I'm getting for my Keisha. But actually, he will never wear that. And if you don't know who Keisha is, that's my cat. Pringle. Yeah. Oh, property of Boston Red Sox. That's so cute. People say we could adopt one. I really want to adopt one. I want them. Is he a Russian blue?
No.
What type of cat is he? Dan Gatto. Oh, the pet's name is Dan Gatto. Can we go to the hamsters? Yay, hamsters. Oh, look at the cute little collars. This watermelon one's so pretty. Sorry. I get distracted these. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. This one is so cute. Hey, wait up. Mommy, wait up. We should get this for Keisha. Oh, this one's more soft. This one's big. This one's big for him. He's big. This is adorable. Oh, I love this.
Ну зачем ты делаешь так, чтобы упала, Ася?
Sorry. Oh, this is bird food. We don't need one. This is what I'd get if I have my hamster. But actually, I want colorful ones too. This is a hamster wheel. Oh, they're so cute. I want a hamster. This is a bird toy. Oh, Mama, if we have the glowfish. Wait, can I show you the glowfish that I want? Oh, that's a birdhouse. So cute. Oh my God. Ah. I want to get something for our cat. This is all birds. What are the cat toys? They never sell cat toys. Only dog toys and what's it called? Bird toys. What is this? Ew, it's a crab bowl. So, Mama, this is like a glowfish. That's a glowfish thing. So, can I show you like the tank, like, and all the fishes that come with it? You were the one who said we're not buying anything. That's big. That's really, really big. Yeah, Mama, this is the glowfish. These. So you have these neon fishes. So I'll try to find. I'll find the fish for you. Your glasses. Look at my mom's glasses. I'll try to find them for you. Oh, the birdie! Look at them, guys. They're so cute. Oh, crazy. Oh, they're so cute. There's some down here too. Hi. Hi. Oh, there's their food. So cute. These are the guinea pigs. And where the? Can you zoom in on this? No. That's the.
There are two up there.
That's the hamster. They're so cute.
One of them's usually hiding.
Oh, there's one back there too.
Yeah.
So somebody right behind me named Stella said that we are not getting anything, but we got 2 things for our fish. That was really big thunder. Okay, I'm getting in the car. I cannot open this. Okay, I'm scared. I'm now really, really scared. Okay, we have to get home as soon as possible. Sorry if it's dark. We're in a garage. Or not really garage, but little person area. So, I'll see you guys at the house. Okay, guys, I'm freaking out. Look at the sky. Oh my God. Now, it's just like any second now, it's just gonna, lightning will just struck. Okay, there was just thunder, and then like a minute later, there was lightning, and one side of Boston is clear. Look, there. I don't know if you can see it. We kind of went away, but now this part is really dark, so dark. I just don't understand Boston. Okay, we just got home, and it's literally, we made it right in time. It's pouring outside. I'll show you guys. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's like winds and rain, and there's any second now there's gonna be thunder and lightning. So I'm gonna step away from the window, and did you see that? That's the thing. Did you hear that? Okay, I'm gonna step away. Guys, how is this happening? On like one side of the house, it's like barely raining. Then on the other side, I'll take you guys. It's pouring. How is this happening? I'm telling you, Boston is crazy. And I'm gonna step away from the window, like I said. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Okay. And me and my cat are like the fraidy cats here. Keisha, are you scared? That's a yes. I know his yeses. Did you guys see that? Oh my God. I'm scared. I'm really, really scared. Are you hearing this? Oh my God, oh my God. Are you hearing this, guys? Oh my God, this is so scary. How is this happening? Like, one side, there's like barely nothing. This side, there's, oh my God.